Hey, this is Eric, Mr. Fired Up Wealth, and I'm excited today to kick off my Masterclass series. I want to invite you to join us. Now, the way you join the Masterclass series is you actually go to Patreon, you sign up for Elite or VIP. The great thing about signing up for Elite or VIP, there's other great benefits including Discord, including daily live streams, and much more. But this masterclass is really designed to take you from A to Z, from a beginner investor all the way to advanced technical analysis, fundamental analysis, options, everything in between. I've been investing for over 20 years. I started from very humble beginnings. I don't come from a rich family, a rich background. I started with $50 a month in the stock market. Back then, there was not information at our fingertips like there is now. There weren't free trades. This is a great time to be an investor and to take advantage of this opportunity. I'm here to show you everything that I've learned over 20 years. I currently manage a multi-million-dollar portfolio. I just resigned from my six-figure corporate job so I can focus on this to educate you. So if you're interested in that, please visit my Patreon. It's Fired Up Wealth Patreon, and join the Elite or the VIP tier, and I'll see you in Discord.